Hi everybody, I am Shahzad. You watching the shopping channel. This is new Huawei Y7 Prime 2018 model. It's very high-peak model nowadays. Its price all over the world is $174 US. Its price in Pakistan is 20,000 rupees. Today I am unboxing it. So let's take its review. Let's do it. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. It's new Huawei Y7 Prime 2018. It was launched and available in all over the world in April 2018. Its price is $174 US. In Pakistan, its price is 20,000 rupees. It's a 3GB RAM and 32GB internal memory. Huawei full view display. Its dimensions are 158.3, 76.7 and 7.8 mm thickness. Its weight is 155 gram. IPS capacitive touchscreen with 16 million colors, 5.99 inches display, 720 by 1440 pixels resolution, 269 pixel density multi-touch. Dual rear cameras, 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, 8 megapixel front camera, geotagging, touch focus, face detection, HDR panorama. Bigger view, better display, 5.99 inches HD plus Huawei full view display with ultra high screen to body ratio brings a large world into your view. The blue mirror effect back rounds out this phone's impeccable style. Dual SIM sports nano SIMs, dedicated memory card slot which is supported up to 256GB. 3000 mAh non-removable battery. Face unlock. 3 card slots. Based on the Android 8.0, the EMUI 8.0 allows your phone to learn and optimize the resource allocation. Split screen multifunction. Just one touch to manage 2 apps side by side on the phone's stunning screen. Easily capture the moment. 3-finger screenshot, a convenient gesture that captures your feeling moments. Up to 20 days standby time. 13 hours video playback, 15 hours of music, and more playtime of games. Its accessories are silicone back cover, 2.0 ampere charger, hand-free and data cable.